The power struggles within the government have reached a boiling point, with the President Emmerson Mnangagwa publicly expressing frustration over the conduct of some ministers and deputy ministers under his administration. Sanapena mashoko atina kuti panguva inoi mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe wabatikana pamusoro pokuonekwa kuti mamwe maministers nemamwe maministers anoonekwa kunzi maloyalist kuna the VP vachisinamba mameetings zvaita kuti zvibate mutungamiri wenyika kusvika azobuda achitaura chokwadi. Sanapena mashoko amudanikwa panapa nobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Timina zvimba imwe mudanikwa muchinzi the growing tensions hint at deeper cracks in his relationship with the Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, fueling speculation of a potential coup, orchestrated by loyalists aligning with Chiwenga. During the last 2024 cabinet meeting held at State House, Mnangagwa lamented absenteeism among senior government officials, describing the behavior as untenable and a dereliction of duty. Let me, however, hasten to emphasize that cabinet processes are anchored on the timely submission of vital documents and regular attendance by ministers and officials, Mnangagwa stated. The worrisome tendency by ministers and senior officials to absent themselves from meetings is untenable. Permanent secretaries should ensure that in their absence, only directors and above should attend working party meetings. The presidency remarks comes amidst increasing reports of cabinet ministers allegedly loyal to Chiwenga snubbing key meetings, undermining Mnangagwa's authority. Speculation suggests that these absences are part of a coordinated effort to challenge Mnangagwa's leadership ahead of the ZANU-PF's next elective congress. Ndo mashoko atikuona kuti aiwa maloyalists aVP aiwa avachaatende aiwa mameetings aiwa maparliamentary meetings zvatikuona kuti mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe abatikana nazvo nobvaona kuti aiwa this is the first step ingatoitika aiwa ichitorongwa as a coup ari kuona kuti he must avoid this kuti zvisatomboitika. Todze mafungiro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ida comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.